Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. In today's video, we're going to do another unboxing because Lawn Fawn just had a huge release, so of course I bought all the things. These are from my local scrapbook store, Scrap Addicts, and if you'd like to check them out, here is their information. Let me make sure that you can see it properly. They do ship internationally, I do believe, and in Canada it's free shipping if you order over 75, so make sure you check them out. All right, so I got two of these perfectly plaid remix packs from Lawn Fawn, as well as the 12 by 12 remix collection in the perfectly plaid. This is my first time buying Lawn Fawn paper, actually, so I'm really excited to see how I can incorporate it into my cards, because I love seeing what everybody at Lawn Fawn does with the actual paper to help streamline their card making. So let me get that out of the way, make sure it's not in the way, blocking the light weird. It kind of is, but that's okay. Okay, and then I got all the new stencils. So this one here is the Slimline Hillside stencils, and they're the just the cool different sizes of stencils. So these are really nice, and I spoke about this in another video, which I can link here. These are really nice because you can use them not just for slimline cards, but also for the shutter card and anything else that's a little bit bigger than 6 inches. These are going to be really great for you. This one here is the Slimline Cloudy Stencils, and same thing. And then last but not least is the Slimline Simple Hillside Stencils, and there are, I think, 2 of these actually, so they've got a different arc for each one, which is really nice. That's going to be really helpful as you are making different scenes. And again, if you're incorporating it into a different style of card that's not slimline, that's going to be super helpful. And to give you an idea of how big these are, they are 9 inches from top to bottom. So you can make up to a 9-inch card with these. And slimlines, of course, are 8.5 inches. So that's to give you some context of how much room they take up. Next, I don't know, where do I want to start? Do I want to start with Lawn Fawn or Simon? Let's do Lawn Fawn. Okay, let me just get this off my package. Oh, nope. Sorry guys, my personal information is on both sides of the Lawn Fawn package, so I'm going to open it off camera here and then just take out the contents. If you have never ordered from Lawn Fawn, it is a great place to order from, because they always include some wonderful goodies inside of the bag. So let's take a look. I did not order, oh so cute. I didn't order the new release from Lawn Fawn. I ordered a couple of things that I have been wanting to get for my ever-growing Lawn Fawn collection. I'm just going to move this out of the way, guys, so it doesn't block the light like it is. Anywho, so I wanted to order some stuff to round it out, to do some of the fun things that I like to do. And then they include cute things like this and personalized notes. How cute is that? I love that. I think it's my favorite part. And I got this really cute stamp to go with it. It says howdy. And I actually ordered, the reason I was even looking at Lawn Fawn is to get this cute set. So this little guy matches, oh man, what is it called? It is a stamp set. I will put it across the screen here. It's one I should know. Butterfly Kisses, that's the one. He's just like the little bunny from Butterfly Kisses, but like, how cute. And then just the cute, oh, I just can't wait to use the sentiments to send out some of the cards that I plan on making. And then the other thing that it comes with is they always include paper, which is really super cute. I think this is Into the Woods, if I had to guess. Is that the name of the paper pack? I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to look it up. Okay, so set that off to the side. And then you always get a little bit of twine, which is a really cool way for them to advertise their different twine, because you can see what it looks like and what it feels like, and then you can order yourself a spool. All right, so what did I get? I got Baked with Love because I love the little mice playing around in the kitchen, but I didn't have anything for them to really play with other than what came out in A Creature Was Stirring last Christmas. So I thought I would round that out with stamps and dies. And then I also got this one, which is Sprinkled with Joy. And Sprinkled with Joy comes with 2 different die sets. So this is the die set that actually cuts out the little pieces and stuff, but then it also comes with this add-on, and this cuts out the oven and makes it an interactive piece so that the door of the oven actually opens, and it's even got like a tea towel, and this is the handle that goes over top of this here, and you can even include a little like tab things that it's easier for you to open and close the oven, and it permanently closes. So it's really neat. I'm really looking forward to playing with this in the future. So I'll set that off to the side. So that's that. And on to the Simon stuff. So there's going to be more in here than just Lawn Fawn. However, it's going to be mostly Lawn Fawn because I couldn't help myself and I need to do better. I love Simon, but my local scrapbook store carries all this Lawn Fawn product day of release. I'm just impatient because when I wake up at 5 in the morning, I want it now. And then it's kind of like shooting myself in the foot because then I have to wait like 3 weeks to get this stuff. I really should know better by now. You'd think, right? But, you know, instant gratification society. Okay, so we have the bubble background stencils, and funny enough, so I was playing around in my craft room the other day and I was so excited for these that I took a Simon Says Stamp stencil that I have. Take that out of the way so you can see what it looks like. And it kind of reminds me of like the bokeh effect that you see all over the place. So I made a bunch of backgrounds using some of my Distress Oxides just to kind of play around this weekend, get some crafting on. And part of it is because I was so excited to get this thing, so I can't wait to play around with this and do something similar to that background that I just showed you. All right, so here we go. We've got a $5 off your next order coupon, and this is wrapped in Tiny Friends. I think I'm gonna have to unwrap it to show it to you guys. All right. Oh, no, we're good. It's just all jumbled together. Look at these cute little guys. They're so cute. Hopefully you're not getting too much of a glare right now. Camera's a little bit behind. All right, what else do we got? We have this Slimline Grassy Hillside border, which is gonna be really cool. So I do have the other borders that came out for the Slimlines. I think it's just the simple hillside borders. And is there a cloudy one? I'll have to double check. No, there's no cloudy one. So I wanted to get this just to give me a little bit more variety because I apparently really do love making Slimline cards. They're great. And then here's the Swish and Pop pull tab, which is super exciting. I think this is gonna be the first thing that I try out because I'm just so excited when I see other people's pull tabs, Swish and Pop pull tabs on various Facebook groups and stuff that I follow. And then this is the Virtual Friends, which is really exciting because it's just so stinking cute. And if you haven't seen the release videos, there is a 4x4 kind of like a Zoom meeting square thing here that goes inside of the monitor, and it perfectly coordinates so that you can fit the tiny friends into here, or you can use any of the tiny sets. So for example, if you have, let me see what I can pull out that's close by. And do I have anything? Here we go. So for example, if you have Tiny Christmas or even Tiny Gingerbread, those guys will go in there as well, which is really exciting. And it just goes to show why Lawn Fawn is amazing, because I mean, all their stuff coordinates. And who doesn't like that, right? Oh, and here's the Bubbles of Joy stamp set, which is exciting. And this guy, is it with this one? No, I don't. Is it with this one? Hang on a second. Let me see. No, not with this one. There's another stencil that you had the option of buying. I think I got it. Yes, I did. Here it is. It's the Bubbles stencil. So this one is bigger than this one. So this one has really tiny bubbles, which of course do coordinate with the tiny bubbles here. But this one here, one of these bubbles, I think this one here, is the perfect size to ink blend this bubble here if you chose to do so. And this also has the little highlights and the little trail of bubbles. And it's just, oh, I can't wait to get started with this stuff and make some really beautiful simple cards. It's one thing that I want to try doing a little bit more of, is just doing simple cards. Okay, so that's that. Ooh, look at the time. Let's get going. Here is a fun stencil that I found on Simon that I think this is going to be really great to use with hot foiling. So I'm going to make some backgrounds. That's another thing, just using, making some simple cards. That's one of the things I want to try doing this year, just to build up a birthday card stash. And then, because I can't help myself, I love these Delusion stencils. They're just so gorgeous. And I don't know what I'm going to use them for yet, but I do intend on using them for something exciting. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's so much in here. So this is the pop-up desk. This desk, of course, does coordinate with the tiny friends that we had talked about. I'm just going to get this out of the way. So it goes together with this here. So it fits perfectly inside of that computer monitor. You can see that. And of course it's a pop-up, so you can have that element on the inside of the card. And then I also got this reveal wheel rectangle window add-on, which does a little frame, but it also is the same size as the computer screen, so you can do a reveal wheel with it as well. We've got, oh, I'm gonna set this off to the side. We'll talk about that in a minute. Then there's the Build-A-Basket for Easter. And Easter's coming, so I gotta get my Easter things ready to go. I don't know if I'll have a video in time for Easter, but we'll see. Then there's Magic Messages. This is really exciting because these ones fit perfectly inside of the Magic Iris. And by extension, I believe they'll fit in the Shutter card. I just have to see if all of them will fit or if only a couple of them will fit. And then of course the matching die. Then we have the long distance hugs. Oh, I don't know what that is. Let me get that off. These are normally on the back. You know what? It's not coming off. That's fine. So this coordinates with another die set. And of course the sentiments go along with the Zoom type calls and stuff. So that's cool. And then we have another one that's backwards. SCRIPTY Bubble Sentiments. I'm just gonna do this because I need to do this anyways to prep my stuff. So here we go. SCRIPTY Bubble Sentiments, which are really exciting. I really love these sentiments, and I actually have some die cuts here, so you can see that I'm totally all about the SCRIPTY words. Just love them. And the coordinating dies, because you can never go wrong. And then there's extra bubbles and that cute little mouse. All right, next. Oh, this is Elfie Selfie, because this is a stamp set that I've been wanting to get for a while. Kind of like Baked with Love and Sprinkled with Joy. That one with the oven. This one is just super cute, and I love elephants, and the little birdies keep showing up places, and oh yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, and then my ever-growing oxide and distressing collections. Here's another oxide. I am currently trying to get some re-inkers for my most dire looking distressings because they're drying out. Go figure. And then I thought it would be fun to experiment with some color theory, so I got this color wheel because whenever I think about making my own, I overthink things, so I figure this is going to be better for my OCD. Okay, now, am I ready? Not quite. Okay. So here's another one that's a gooder. It's the bubble border, and I saw some really amazing things done with this and the pearlescent vellum. And then this goes with the reveal wheel. This is the template for that rectangle and virtual friends. And this is where you also get, if you saw the release videos, this is where you also get this guy so that you can, hang on one second, so that you can mask this off and put in your little critters from your other tiny sets or from tiny friends, whatever you choose. So that's good. Set that off to the side. And then, can I get this out of the way? Last but not least, we've got these, which are the flip-flop clear stamps. And in one of the groups that I was in, somebody asked what these guys were all about. And let me tell you, they are to coordinate with some of the previously released products. And this is for Butterfly Kisses. And if you guys want, I can pull out that stamp set, but we're running a little late on time, so I will just do it with Elfie Selfie. So you can see this elephant and this elephant are the exact same, but they're just reversed. So with the flip-flop stamps, what happens is you now have a new die, a new orientation for your lovely, lovely elephant, which is exciting because now you can do things like have them kiss, or if you've got like the slider, you can have them meet together in the middle, that kind of thing. And then it comes with a little cute boop. And I love you tons, which is new and not something that's included in these. So you also get new sentiments. So that's that. And then for Butterfly Kisses, I think it's just sending smiles. That's the new one. But all of these critters, so the fox, the net, and the two butterflies are in the original stamp set, but in this case they are just reversed, and it was cute. One of the release videos I watched, I think it was Kelly that said they actually reversed the colors as well to make it a little bit more obvious as to what was going on, and I just love that. It's so cute. All right, so that is it for what I got. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would invite you to subscribe. So if you haven't yet subscribed and you like the content that you're getting, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming up. Also hit the like button if you got value from today's video. And you'll notice that as you come back to this video, there is going to be links to other videos where I've used some of this product in card making, so please make sure you keep checking back. And it was really great to have you here again. This is Slavie from Crafting with Slavie, and make sure you check out these videos before you take off for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.